Hey, what's up, guys? Kezon McNeill. Welcome back to the Kezon McNeill Show. I want to thank every one of my subscribers who subscribe to this channel. We just reached 10,000 subscribers. Man, I can't tell you how exciting that is. I mean, to think I just started this channel, probably maybe about a year and a half ago now. I only started it because I would get so many questions about career advice. You know, I've been in the industry for about 23 years now. And so people will always ask me questions about resumes and interviewing for a job. And people would also ask me for financial advice. So I would find myself, always giving people information, how to do this, why they should do it this way, maybe think about doing it that way. From anything from career advice, like I said, to financial hacks and things of that nature. And, all these answers and all this advice kind of derived from my own experiences. And doing this for so long and kind of having a lot of trial and error, made money, lost money, had some wins, had some losses, right? I decided to just start sharing, because I felt that if my circle and people even outside of my circle were coming to me asking me questions, man, maybe other people in the world who didn't have access to me, maybe they had some of the same questions, right? So that's the main reason I started the channel. I did not start the channel with the idea of becoming this YouTube millionaire. I just really started it just to get things off my chest, honestly, and to give advice, So if I gave someone advice that day, I would make a video and push it out to the world. As you've seen on my journey, the videos have gotten a lot better. I think they've gotten a lot better anyway. Just kind of started from that, and I never had any idea that I would become monetized, ever reach even 200 subscribers. I didn't even think I would get 50 subscribers because I didn't start it with that in mind. I kind of just started it to add value to people's lives and just maybe answer those questions. Like I said, people could have a question about a resume, and I've answered that question probably 100 times, in the last 2-3 years, right? So here we are, 10,000 subscribers. I want to thank every one of you for sharing the videos, liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and also subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I also want to go a step further. Again, I'm all about financial hacks and career advice, and I'm gonna tell you, if you have any type of subject matter expertise on anything, it could be anything from gardening to cooking to travel, whatever, share it with the world. I'm telling you, start a channel. I can't tell you this enough. Start a channel, just start documenting, putting the information out there for people to access it. Don't get caught up in trying to get monetized. I know I didn't. I just pushed information out to the world, man. And here we are, 10,000 subscribers. Again, it's not something I was seeking to do. I am monetized as well. For those of you who don't understand the monetization with YouTube, it happens when you reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. At that point, YouTube offers you monetization. So that means that's when the ads will pop up and you can be compensated for those ads running on your channel periodically, things of that nature. So that's cool too, but it's turned into a really good, I'll call it side hustle for me. But again, the mission is still the same, just sharing information, financial hacks. If I have anything I can offer to anyone, it'll be here. Thank you. I cannot thank you enough for supporting the channel. Now, on to bigger things. Here we go. Today, I really just want to focus on finishing what you start. What I mean by that, a lot of entrepreneurs are subscribers to this channel. A lot of business owners are subscribers to this channel. Also individuals who are working, full-time jobs, but also have a side hustle, right? Or they just may have started a side hustle. I want to tell you, finish what you start, right? Don't get caught up in people, friends, colleagues, family, whatever, telling you, oh, that's not going to work. Oh, that won't work. Oh, you should do it this way. Oh, you should do that. Do this and do that. Don't get caught up in buying other people's advice all the time. Sometimes you just got to go at it. Go at it. And I'm going to tell you, the excitement of starting a business or a side hustle, it will wear off. I'm not immune to that. I have my days where it's like, man, I don't feel like doing nothing, right? Or, man, this isn't working or whatever, right? But I immediately go back to the excitement I had when I first started the business. And then I'm reminded, like, okay, remember why you started the business. Remember how excited you were when you first started your journey. That's what's going to keep you in the business. I don't care if you're doing network marketing, selling insurance, you just start opening up a restaurant, whatever, started a boutique, whatever the case may be. Remember, when times get tough, meaning your excitement wears off, because it will. The excitement will wear off. Remember why you started and finish what you started. Don't be so quick to just take your ball and go home, or for lack of a better word, just quit on yourself. Don't get caught up in the chatter of other individuals telling you it won't work. Don't get caught up in worrying about what other people are going to say. Run your race. It's something I always say on this channel. Run your race and stay focused and have fun with it. Again, every day is not going to be the best day in the world, all right? So again, thank everyone who subscribed to this channel. We've reached 10,000 subscribers. Again, this is something I started and I'm finishing it. I'm going to continue to do this as long as you guys continue to support. I'm going to continue to do it. Again, I did not start this to make money, but to luck of God, I've become monetized. You know, it's amazing. I mean, using social media and YouTube, and I can push my information out and people can access this information and it can make their lives better or give them another piece of advice, you know, in addition to maybe other advice they're receiving. You know, I like to think that my advice is usually, you know, from the heart. You know, I'm just real honest. Some people will agree, some people won't agree, you know, and it's okay. It's my opinion and I'm going to continue to share with everyone. But again, I just want to thank everyone for supporting the channel. Please copy this video and share it with someone on your cell phone. You know, share it with someone in your email. They may be going through something right now. They may have just started a business. They may have hit that, you know, around that 45-day mark is when you kind of start to feel away. You kind of start to doubt yourself a little. You know, send it to them just as a sense of encouragement. Maybe this is something you need to be watching right now. You know, stay encouraged, stay focused, don't give up, and I'll see you guys all at the top.